Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here and navigate to Organize, Manage SIM. Give it a moment. It should load our SIM card, which there is one inserted. Sometimes it takes a moment. There we go. And you can see automatically all the contacts are selected. Now, in your case, if you see some contacts that are deselected and grayed out, don't worry. These contacts exist on the location where you're going to be importing them to right now. I'm saying adding that specification there because in my case, there is no drop-down menu right here. Typically, you would have one which would allow you to switch between Google account and the device. Quickly check. Based on this, it means that I don't have a Google account signed in, but I like to check. Maybe not this. Yeah, so there is no Google account actually added. As you can see, it tells me to add an account. There isn't one. Now, the reason this is important is because by default you would have that drop-down menu right here, and because this is a Google application, it would by default try to hoover up all your contacts that you're importing by having itself selected as an import location, basically the cloud. And I just want to stop you and kind of point out one thing. You're basically uploading someone else's personal information for Google to have full access to. I've kind of considered this to be no bueno, as these people never really consented to that. So I just want to point that out. And usually most people, at least I do, I have in my contacts a lot of information like date of birth, their addresses, their email, name, last name. So it's a lot of information along with that phone number, which for a company like Google, this is just literal gold mine, and they would never really consent to that. So just want to point out, you can import your contacts to the phone, not giving Google this information, which is the better option. You still have the same kind of options, but you just don't really, allow Google to have the information. So right now, because I don't have this drop-down menu, it automatically will import these contacts to the phone itself, not the cloud. So if I click on import and go back here, and you can see I have device selected, as this is the only place where contacts are located right now. So right now all these contacts are only on the phone itself, not on the cloud and anywhere else. I also want to point out that if you have a Google account signed in, the moment you import them to the phone, the phone, Google will automatically be like, whoa, are you sure you didn't want us to have all this data? Because we're such a creepy box right here that we would like it. So yeah, please import this data, and it will basically spam you sometimes with this bullshit. Obviously, just deny that. And another thing that Google does is an absolutely scammy bullshit thing is it will bring up a pop-up, clear storage on your SIM card by deleting the contacts. Are you effing kidding me? This piece of shit actually wants you to delete the contacts that are a hard backup on your physical SIM card that you can access at any point in any other device. And it's deliberately designed to make you rely on their cloud backup, ensuring themselves that they're always the ones that have the most up-to-date information about all these contacts, the people, and their every information. I would say go screw that, because that is just absolutely creepy. So don't delete the contacts. They're there for a reason. It's your data stored on your SIM card that no one else has access to. And when you import your contacts to the phone, keep it on the phone. Don't do like, oh yeah, let's enable syncing. That basically defeats the purpose, as they would just hoover up the data anyway at that point. So heads up. But with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.